Hi, what's cooking? I'm Bella and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to the channel, welcome as well. Please take a moment and subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fantastic, simple and sophisticated strawberry coulis. I wanted to make something with strawberries because I'm just so inspired by all the strawberries I see when I go to the store. The smell is amazing. It is the best time to make anything with strawberries. It is strawberry season. Let's go over the list of ingredients. Now, if you don't know what simple syrup is, simply put, this is a syrup made with equal parts in volume of sugar and water. I'm using half a cup of organic sugar and half a cup of filtered water. Bring it to a boil and let it boil for 1 minute. Remove from the heat and reserve in a sterilized container. Now your simple syrup can stay in the fridge for a very long time because this is made out of sugar, and you can actually get a little creative and add flavors to your syrup. I've made with ginger, cardamom, lavender. Recently I used violet flowers, rosemary. So it's a nice way to get creative and then use your syrup when making cocktails or over pancakes, waffles. It's very nice for breakfast. Now we're just going to blend the fresh strawberries with the syrup. Now I am using strawberries. You can use berries, you can use other fruits, but today I'm showing you how to make a strawberry coulis. But Bella, what is a coulis? Coulis is a French word for a thin sauce made out of vegetables or fruit. It's turned into a puree and you pass it through a strainer to make sure it's a really thin sauce without any pieces, no seeds. So really, it's a thin sauce. So now I'm going to pass this through the strainer, bring it to a boil just for a minute, and our coulis is ready. I cooked mine on high heat. Now, could you have used raw instead of cooking? Of course you could, but it's not gonna last as long. So once it's ready, after a minute of cooking time, just transfer into a sterilized container and it is ready to use hot, or you can keep it in the fridge and use it at a later time. And because we just finished making it, you can see that there's a lot of this foam up on top. This is perfect for pancakes. This is great if you're serving a gamey meat and you just want a little sweet sauce on the side. You can also use on cocktails, you can use in other desserts. It's just very versatile. I learned this recipe when I was working at a French cafe under chef Eric Jacquin. And let's dig in. It's so nice and refreshing, and yet it's a good dessert when you're having people over and you don't know what to make. It looks so sophisticated and they won't even know how simple this was. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave some comments down below and hit the thumbs up. Also, be sure to share this video and maybe encourage others to watch my channel and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.